Ilocos Sur 1st District Representative Ria Fariñas personally saw to it that constituents affected by the Holy Week lockdown will not go hungry. The lady lawmaker joined her staff and sangguniang kabataan volunteers in the repacking of relief goods. "470 packs were done in 6 hours of non-stop operation. The following day, Fariñas was on deck again, helping volunteers and staff distribute the food packs to families affected by the lockdown.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.